I alone change this forest's rules. My silence signals an upcoming storm.
You cover your fear by shouting loudly.
Our large pack will shatter your arrogance. This straight path quickly takes you up.
Easy roads always hide a big trap. I clearly saw your hidden pit trap.
How did you figure this out calmly?
A cheap offer always leads to danger. Fools rush while the wise understand everything.
I will listen to your next plan. Enemies seek weakness wrapped in sweet words.
I successfully kept my true destination hidden.
All my espionage efforts have completely failed. Overly curious people want to cause harm. Never reveal your personal plans to others.
Everyone is heading toward this deep river. Following the crowd blindly is ultimate stupidity. I avoided crowds choosing this safe mountain. Our entire pack is trapped in mud! Walking with crowds leads to wrong destinations. A person walking alone creates their path.
My leg is broken, please help me!
Your cunning eyes tell a dirty lie. I sensed your hidden pack waiting nearby.
You are a terrifying and intelligent creature.
Never step into danger driven by emotion. A sharp mind beats blind emotional pity.
You are the greatest leader here today.
Excessive sudden praise hides a dark plot. I ignored your empty and hollow praise.
All my false flattery failed on you.
Never increase your ego with empty praise. Silence always protects your true inner strength. We have surrounded this rock completely today! Greater numbers do not mean certain victory. I broke your attack from high ground. Your lone strategy defeated our entire... Fools form packs while the brave stand alone. Self-belief wins absolutely any tough battle.
Our shouting breaks your psychological mental strength.
Your noise cannot distract my main target.
My absolute silence shattered your combined strength.
We are fleeing this jungle forever today.
Your deep silence is your deadly weapon. Like this video and learn something new. I achieved ultimate victory on my path. Your unwavering patience taught everyone a lesson. Learning to fight alone brings true success. You gained real strength from Phycology Arena.